This is how to calculate the running total for our ledger balance. Now I will show you on how to calculate running total in Microsoft Access. Okay, now we will create the ledger for this exercise. Okay, first we will make a table, then select this table design. I will type ID, then data type is auto. This is our primary key. The next is description, then here this description you can type also account name or account code, so it's up to you. But for this exercise I will just use description in general. Okay, next is debit, then currency, then credit, to inform you, I'm not too familiar with accounting, so I just use this debit credit in order to show you on how to calculate the running total or balance for this ledger. Okay, I will put remarks. This is only optional. Save. I will name this table as TBL, stands for table, then ledger. Okay, we have description, then so the default currency here is dollar, so we can change to standard so that we can use internationally. I will use standard. Okay, now I will type here description. Again, you can use, instead of description, you can use account or any details that you want. Okay, I will type this one, cash on hand, say 25,000, then account. Again, this is just only an example. Receivable, then 1, 2, 3, 1,000, then cash in bank, I'll put 50,000, then share capital, say 2,000, then service fee 500, and loans receivable, say 1,000. So this sample data will calculate the running balance. Let's see, this one is negative, so this one is positive, so suppose it will give us the correct running total for this ledger or for this transaction. Okay, now we will use the query in order to give us the running total for this ledger. Okay, now we will go to create, then here query design. I will close. I will use the SQL view. Okay, now I will keep this one select, then I will show you also our fields. So we will use this field here. First is ID, then comma, description, comma, then debit here, separate by comma, and credit, comma. Now we will calculate the debit minus credit. Okay, so we'll use function select, then sum of debit minus credit from our table TBL ledger here. Now, since in our table there's no balance here, there's no field balance, so we will make a alias in order to show us the balance. So how? I'll just put here as alias underscore ledger, where alias underscore ledger dot ID. Now we'll put less than or equal to TBL, this is our table, TBL ledger dot ID. So this is our primary key. Then we'll put our alias name as balance. So total or sum for this debit minus credit, then the balance. Then from TBL ledger, then close by semicolon. And now we will save this query. My name is query ledger. Now we'll double click this one. So this is it. Now we have balance 25, this is negative, then plus 10, so it will deduct our negative, then plus 50, so it will make it positive 35, and here 2000 less 2000, then 33, then less 500, 32,500, then 1000, 31,500. So now we will add here. Let's see, collection. So collection, we'll put here 3,500. Now we will open our running balance, running total. It gives us 35,000. So now this is how to calculate. So I will add some format here, because here it's showing close parenthesis. Here it shows that negative is make us close parenthesis, and the positive it give us there's no close parenthesis. Now I will make this format, but instead of close parenthesis, the negative number or value must be shown as red and this positive must be shown as blue. Okay, now we will add some format. Okay, we'll go to design view here, then select this alias balance and go to format. I will just make it zoom. I will adjust the font so that it's very clear for you to see what I'm typing. Okay, here. So the first here we'll make it for the positive number, so color blue. So I will put this one, format, number, then 1, 2, 3, then 0. So open bracket. So this one is for positive numbers using blue. Then in every value we will make a separate by colon. Okay, I will copy this one. Then next is the negative numbers. So for the negative numbers or value, we'll use red. Then Control V. The next one, it's too big. I will adjust the font. I will make it 25. Then here blue, so we'll change here for the 0 values, we'll make it green. Then sorry, I'll just copy this one. So this is for the null values, we'll use cyan. You can put also black, so since it's the last format, so we'll close. Again, the first is for positive value, so blue. The second is for the negative value, color red. And the third one is for 0 values, make it green. And the last one is for the null value. Okay, I will hit OK. So now if we click this run, look what will happen. So it's look good than before, right? So this is it. This is how to calculate the running total for our ledger balance. Thank you and God bless.